Welcome to another Women and a series, which is a Today I want to teach you a way to read your Afa, how to read your Afa by yourself. I know that it's important for you to be able to do some basic divination for yourself. Please, and before I proceed, I'm sounding note of warning. Number one, what I'm going to teach you, don't use it for commercial purpose. If you want to use it for commercial purpose, I will advise you visit a divination dibia, and understand all the intricacies and all that comes with divination. You know, if only you want to divine for people, what I'm doing here is not going to be enough for you. You need to have a one-on-one encounter. Bolu didibi buagu, while you also mainly other things, and be close by for you to understand to be properly equipped for you to divine for others. But if it's just for yourself, trust me, the basic teaching I'm going to do here can help you. Then secondly, even if it's only for yourself, if you learn from this video, Ijimogo, nothing is free. This particular teaching, if you learn from it, Ijimogo, Otoni is pay it whenever you can. If you cannot pay it to me, you can pay it to, but somehow you have to pay for it. Now, I need to explain these materials to you. I've explained what if any need but if you need niche manaka full gilly. This is a full gilly. So if on actually you make a full gilly use, but there is something different here that helps me. Two things. One, this fish bone. If I was wasa, I don't eat fish. Why am I not eating fish today? It's because I use fish for my divination. So it doesn't mean that you will do the same, but I must tell you that if you want to be doing this thing on your own, and you must have something, an animal that will help you to achieve the same feat. Remember I said that nothing is actually what? Free. This is the pure truth I'm telling you now. Even those that still have natural ose, how will ose haji abafa? Ofodo nyolu di eso onyo elihali di ose. Ofodo, this method that I'm telling you now, I'm teaching you, kafani use. Ofodo mayoko ka haji esenite di ose. Ofodo nyolu ife enyo. My own method is that I do not eat fish. Fish is an animal that is only 24 hours. So I'm using that power. I'm assessing it. That's why you see my alpha bead is trained with fish bone. So I do not eat fish. So most times, that's why I'm telling you that I wouldn't alpha. Only you do when you say Alpha is not necessarily the interpretation. That is the real thing. And only when I feel the expert in interpretation of Alpha, at the end of the door, I never away for the chances of mistake is should I say your chances of mistake or wrong interpretation will be 2 or 3 out of 10, but 7 out of 10 you will always be getting it right. Your chances of success is 7 of 10. I'm not saying this thing is perfect, it's not a perfect, but it's reliable. For yourself, remember I'm teaching you for yourself. Some of you need it. Only in your spiritual pursuit. You need to be divining for yourself. That means every day you need to know what the day is saying. Someone once humorously joked that I always tell people not to be going for Afa and all those things, but I do Afa every day for myself. Yes, to be honest, every day Afa, I just do it once. So it helps me. At times, when a thief or a liar or someone Afa can tell me that this kind of person will come to your house today, or I should be wary for this so and so thing, or I can just warm your kuziwelu if I will just be like this, and from even the reading of the Afa, teaching can just come out. So it helps me to prepare myself for the day, or gives me information that ordinarily that I didn't access through other mediums. So if it's for commercial purpose, whatever I'm doing here is not necessary. If it's for your private purpose, then you can. I'm telling you in all sense. Manifest. You have to pay. It's not free. When you can pay it when you can. Then secondly, something that you add to the Afa that will help you. I'm saying that this is what helps me. This fish bowl you are saying here helps me in the Afa. That is why I don't eat fish. So you must look for an animal that has a link with sight. There are animals, there are creations that are associated with divination. For example, you see Okorombe. That's why every Dibia, most diviners use Okorombe. Why? In Igbo belief system, metaphysics system, we believe that Mbada Agwa and Okwase, Mbeweze Amamife, and after is believed to be Eze Amamife, you are going for this to seek for knowledge. In fact, in almost all culture, tortoise is associated with wisdom. That's why you see us use Okorombe. This one is Ato, Ogwada Ato. So everything has meaning. So if you are what you are looking for is truth. Or for it. Now, Afa, basically how it is now is open. Oh yeah. Now, all of those when all of them are like this, it's closed. So when I have before you in the morning, the first thing for the first Afa you do you open it. Hour for then you call on the Afa to come. That's that means you want to learn that whenever these sounds, there are the kind of sounds, this sound they are making, in the community, that means there is information. So which information does he have for you? A war, the Afa. Now, this is where reading comes in. For you to help you in the reading of Afa, I'm recommending these two books for you. After God is Dibia, by John Anene Shukurume, Professor Ume. I'm recommending this book for you. You can find it online. It's in Amazon. You can buy it online. It's in some few bookshops in the East. Any serious person that wants to look for it, you can buy it. You can also buy it from Prof himself. This particular chapter, page 90, can help you. What I want to show you here is reading. Like for example, this is Ete. When this two is open, this one is open, this one is closed, it is called Ete. If you get this book, you will see some of these things so that. But if you cannot get this book, let me be showing you right here so that when it is open, this tool, it is OD, OD, OD. Now, when it is open like this, it is OB. Eh? When it is open like this, it is Ululu. It's called Ululu. When it is open like this, it is called Obala. When it is closed like this, it is Apple, 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 Apple. When it is open like this, it's called Otule. So this is like Odobi. Odobi means if any there is peace. That means there is peace. This is for the first reading name. There is peace in this teaching I'm going to give you now. You are going to have peace in learning this thing you are learning now. Now, remember, in the reading of Afa, it goes like this. Because Igbo writing system, that's showing the Igbo writing or reading system, we go from left to right. Some people, after reading left to right, can read right to left, but know that reading is from left to what? Right. You can read from left to right again and come here again and read from what? Left to right. Now, I want you to know all the readings first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 words. 16 words. So, this is OD. This is Obi. This is Apo. This is Otule. This is Agale. This is Agale. 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 Now, this is Atoloba. This is called Atoloba. This is Aka. This is Aka. And this is Ijite. Oh, sorry. This is Ijite. Ijita Aka, Ijita Atoloba. Ijita Agale. Now, when you are reading it, you are beginning to combine it. Pronunciation starts changing. Pronunciation starts changing. This one that is Agale, you cannot say Ijita Agale. It's now Ijita Agale. It's now what? Ijita Agale. For example, when you are reading, another example, when there is tonal change. This is Ijite as single, but if you are adding it as plural, Odo Ogute, not Odo Ijite. Sorry, Obi Ojite. This is Obi. Ogelo Yoto Ulo Obi. Is now Obi Ijite, Obi Ogute, not Ijite again. Obu, Obi Ogute, Obi Ogute, Obi Ogute. So like this now, if you are reading it from like this, it becomes how this is. It becomes Agalenambo. Agalenambo. Agalenambo means strength. Agalenambo means strength. Now, I'm trying to teach today is for you to know these words. The pronunciation of the words is mystical in itself. If you can get the pronunciation of the words and start having a little basic meaning of some of the words, with time, just like I'm saying, if you look at it, that thing that is aiding you can aid you in the interpretation. You are not going to be an expert with the method I'm going to teach you. All I'm going to teach you is that thing will talk to you, that this mystical word, that because these words are mystical, they are not your normal everyday Igbo words. They are not your normal everyday Igbo words. So merely calling it via reading, the meaning can come to you. The meaning can come to you. And when those who are experts, will interpret it rightly, at the end of the day, they will arrive at that meaning that has been given to you through that Ose that is helping you to do what? Read the Afa. So that's why I'm advocating. Igota Afa. Shota malo to esi ayesi we melo kini. Where kelo the Afa. I specifically looked for Afa Wenu Opopazwasa because I knew that it is the bone that is going to aid me in the reading of Afa. I was deliberate. So in the morning, some people see Obi as openness. At times, Ijite, how will I put it? Whether some of these things, some of the words are masculine and some are feminine. I don't know whether it's the best way to help you in the decoding of the meaning. The first thing I want you to do, like I said, is to know these words, their pronunciation. I will then allow your spirit to tell you the meaning, or allow you say that you are using to tell you the meaning. All you need to do is to read it like how this one. It's a man. If I you read it, you settle down and allow your mind to tell you the meaning. Or if you're more now, don't get discouraged with whatever meaning they tell that your mind ministers to you. Don't ever get discouraged. I always say it. Only they do a love. And most importantly, you are doing it for yourself. Once you are doing it for yourself, you are not trying to make profit out of it. You see that the reading that you have given to yourself, that 7 out of 10 times that you are right. Remember, there are some words I have shown you in my previous video on Afa. There are some words, Afa meaning I've shown you. You can take those ones. I don't want to go further than those ones I've said before. I told you that if you want to know more, deeper, more of those words, or want to know, be accustomed with all the words, what are you going to do? I'm saying that you should go to a divination dibia, but if it's for yourself, that only the pronunciation of the words, right pronunciation of the words, will help you. Only the right pronunciation of the words will help you to give you the interpretation. Once you pronounce them rightly, allow your mind to tell you what it means. So, you start. So you now start the reading. What I'm trying to show you is the pronunciation. That's what I'm more interested. I'm not trying to. The meaning is what I want you to do by yourself. Allow train your mind to give you the meaning. This is ora. Orete, orobi, orodi. No, orete, orobi, orokala. Etobi, bundemili, etokala. Obi, okala. You read like this, you read like this, you read like this. So after reading like this, you read like this, you read like this to find the meaning. Some people, like I said, go back and read like this. Whereas others, after reading like this, they come like this and read, because we read from left to right. Ogeli ora, ogeli ofu. This is ofu. I'm not sure I told you initially. This is ofu. This is ofu. Ogeli ofu, ogeli obi. Okay, this is ofu. If you do it like this, it becomes ose. Osete, osobi, osokala. So let me be playing it and be reading it for you so that you get used to it. Otulora, otulora, otulora. Oranambo, oranato, oranambo. Orapo, orofu, orokala. Apuofu, apuokala, ofuokala. Ogeli odi, ogeli ora, ogeli nambo, odi ora, odi ogeli. Ogeli. Odi ogeli. Odiaka, odiete. Ogeliaka, ogeliete. Like I say, some people read like this. There is no right or wrong. If I be more, there is no right or wrong. Find out the methods that is working for you. Like I said, I'm more interested in teaching you the pronunciation. Although gute, although atolopa, odi nambo. Ijita atolopa, ijita odi, atolopa odi. If I want to read it like this, I will read odi atolopa, odi ogute, odi nambo. Ogeli ose, ogeli ogute, ogeli nambo. Be quarter, ne quarter. Odi otule, odi ose, odi ofu. So I'm doing all these things so that you will see the pronunciations. Oro otule, ora atolopa. Otule nambo. Ipe silike. Otule nambo. Otule atolopa. Atolopa otule. Atolopa ora. Otule nambo. Otule ora. Ogeli atolopa. Ogeli obi. Ogeli ora. Ogeli okala. This is okala. When it's like this, is okala. When it's like this, is obala. This is obala. When it's like this, when this tray is closed, is obala. When it's like this, is okala. Ogeli okala, ogeli obi. Ogeli ora. Okala obi, okala ora. Obi ora. So the meaning is what I'm delving into. I ask you to allow the meaning. Personally, if I sit down and just look at it and just read it, I can tell myself the meaning and provide the solution for yourself. If more, and this is why they are magical words. The vibration will tell you when you are calling those words, the vibration will bring the meaning to you. Once needed, depends so good, we call it hello. Then when the experts who are deep in the nuances of Afa interpret it, they will still end at the end of the day. But like I said, if you want to go into commercial purpose, don't do this thing I'm saying. Go to a proper divination debut and learn the nuances. Because there are history, there are stories that comes with it that you cannot get by just using this method I'm telling you. If you have any question, I'll answer in the comment section. What I just teach you is for your own personal growth, that you help yourself, especially in these days that there are too many fake diviners, and you need to build your own spiritual strength by believing in your own self. It's about belief. Also, you can be able to read this for yourself. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you.